Hey, what's up there? I hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to be explaining how you can place your bet on the draw no bet on Betway. So as you can see here that Everton FC is playing against Brentford FC, and I am currently under the popular bet section here. I'm going to scroll down to the draw no bet, which is what we're going to be discussing today. Draw no bet simply means you are not betting for the draw. You are not betting for the possibility of a draw in this match. Everton FC is going to be playing against Brentford FC. There is no draw that is going to be happening in this match. These are the odds for Everton FC 1.50, and for Brentford FC it has higher odds, which is 2.55. This draw no bet is an opposite of this match 1x2 bet on Betway. So as you can see here that this one doesn't have a draw option, but this one has the draw option. So they are opposites. This one does not have the possibility of a draw, and the one at the top has the possibility of a draw. So that is how these two are opposing each other. If you want to bet for one team, you click on it and then you click on bet now here at the bottom. But if you don't want to bet for Brentford FC, you're going to click on Everton. It's also going to appear in a bet slip, and then you click bet now here at the bottom. So you can't bet for two teams because it's not possible. You can only bet for one option in a match that is going to happen. So that is how you do it. Thank you again for watching. Please click the subscribe button, and I'll see you again in my next one.